If you're still walking outside to turn on your sprinklers with a dial from 1998, I need to talk to you. I've been testing the Rachio 3rd Gen Smart Sprinkler Controller for the last month, and honestly, I wish I'd done this years ago. In this video, I'm going to show you how I installed it, what the app actually does, and yeah, I tracked my water bill too. Let's see if this thing really saves you money. So here's the box. Pretty simple. Let me show you what's inside. You've got the controller itself, a mounting bracket, screws and anchors, wire labels, which honestly saved me, and a quick start guide. The unit is compact, it's white plastic, about 9 inches wide, doesn't look bad on the wall at all. This is the 8-zone model. They also make a 16-zone if you've got a bigger property. First impression, feels solid, not cheap. Okay, I'm gonna be real with you. I'm not an electrician. If I can do this, you can do this. Took me about 25 minutes. Step 1, kill the power at the breaker. Don't skip this. Step 2, take a picture of your old controller's wiring before you touch anything. Seriously, do it. Then label each wire with these little stickers they give you. Step 3, unscrew your old controller, mount the Rachio bracket. It lines up with standard outlet box holes. Step 4, connect each wire to the matching numbered terminal. The app walks you through which zone is which. So when I connected zone 1, I told it that's my front lawn. Step 5, power back on, download the app. It found the controller in like 10 seconds. That was it. Let me show you the app because this is really where Rachio shines. The dashboard shows you all your zones, the weather, and your schedule. You can run a zone manually, set a custom schedule, or, and this is my favorite part, let Weather Intelligence handle it. So what is Weather Intelligence? Basically, the controller checks local weather data. If rain is coming, it automatically skips watering. If there's a freeze warning, it skips. If it's been really hot, it waters more. I don't even think about it anymore. You can set up flex schedules based on your soil type, grass type, sun exposure. It's pretty detailed. And there's a water usage tracker that shows you exactly how much you've saved. I'll show you my numbers in a second. Oh, and yeah, it works with Alexa. I can just say, Alexa, water the front lawn for 10 minutes. Kind of ridiculous, but I love it. All right, the part you actually care about, did it save me money? I compared my water usage from the 30 days before installation to the 30 days after. My old timer was running on a fixed schedule, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, 20 minutes each zone. The Rachio adjusted for rainfall, and we actually had a few storms, and it shortened cycles during cooler weeks. My water bill dropped about 22%. That's roughly $18 a month. At this price, $182, it pays for itself in about 10 months. For a device that lasts years, that's a no-brainer. Also, my lawn didn't suffer. It actually looked better because I wasn't overwatering. Who knew? I want to be fair, so here's what I don't love. The price. $182 is steep compared to a $30 basic timer, but you're paying for the intelligence and the water savings. The 8-zone model might not be enough if you've got a big yard with lots of zones. The 16-zone is $100 more. Figure that into your decision. And it's 120 volt, US only. If you're outside the US, you'll need a converter. That's really it. Everything else, install, app, performance, solid. Here's my take. If you're still using a dumb timer and you care about your lawn or your water bill, get this. The Rachio 3rd Gen is the best smart sprinkler controller I've tested under $200. There are cheaper options out there, but none of them have the weather intelligence and this level of polish. It just works. I'll drop the link in the description. If you found this helpful, hit that like button. It actually helps the channel a ton. And subscribe if you want to see more smart home reviews. Drop a comment with how many zones your system has. I'll help you pick the right model. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.